Replacing the air filter on the 2025 and up Ford Maverick 2-liter EcoBoost model is easy. You can do it in 2 to 3 minutes without any tools required. Before you begin, be sure the truck is parked safely and is turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other components nearby. The air filter box for the 2025 Ford Maverick with the 2-liter EcoBoost engine is located at the front driver's side top of the engine. Changing the filter can be done, as I said, in minutes by anyone and requires no tools to complete. The air filter box is held in place by 2 clips clearly visible at the front of the box. To remove the filter, simply pop the clips loose and then firmly tilt the front of the box upward. It's held in place at the back by tabs, which allow a hinging action upward. Once lifted up high enough, simply pull it forward to release it from the box. Then you can easily remove the filter. Replacing the element is essentially the same process in reverse, but it does take a little bit more effort. Start by inserting the filter element and take care to make sure that it's properly seated in the box and not pinched. The hardest part is getting the slip tabs at the rear of the top cover to align properly and to seat into their slots at the rear. It fits really tight and will require some firm pressure to get the tabs properly under their lip and for the box top to seat properly. You can check the alignment at the passenger side to assure that the top is all the way back and down. You'll see that by the little zigzag tab. If you see a significant area of the filter visible at the rear or around the sides, or the front clips are not able to latch, then you likely don't have it seated properly. Complete and proper seating and sealing is required for the vehicle to run properly and safely, so take your time to get this part right. And that's it. You're done.